Hello all, welcome to the day 1 of the daily case study series for CBSE grade 10. The question goes like this. In a charming village, there is a street called Maplewood Avenue where the houses are numbered from 1 to 49. A community group has decided to undertake a green renovation project aiming to install solar panels on the houses. They have a few questions before they begin the project. First question, how many houses are there in Maplewood Avenue? Obviously 49 houses. Second question, the house numbers follow an arithmetic progression. What is the first term of the AP and the common difference? So if we write the house numbers as an AP, the AP goes as 1, 2, 3 till 49. So A is the first term 1 and the common difference is 2 minus 1, which is 1. Question 3. If the group wanted to calculate the sum of the house numbers from 1 to 49, how much would that be? Sn is equal to n by 2 times A plus L. We use this formula because we know the first term and the last term. Yes, 49 is equal to 49 by 2 times 1 plus 49, which is 49 by 2 times 50, 49 times 25, which is 1225. Fourth question, what is the sum of the house numbers between 15 and 30? The AP will be 16, 17, 18. It goes on till 29 because it says between 15 and 30. A is 16 and again common difference is 1. There are 14 terms in the AP. Sum of the 14 terms is equal to 14 by 2 times A plus L. 14 by 2 times 45, 7 times 45, which is 315. So this is the sum of the house numbers between 15 and 30. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Math with Meenakshi for more smart learning videos. See you all with another case study question tomorrow.